First things first, let's handle this, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a day in the life of me just getting prepared for my little trip that I told you guys about. So yeah, I'm gonna go get an oil change. I need to go get my nails done because this is ghetto. I need to go get my just my nails done and my feet done, and yeah, you guys are gonna follow along with me.
Bye-bye. It's called guilt. Hi, Toad. Yeah, that's a feeling. Now just get us free and I'll take care of the rest. Hey, dorks. The cash is yours if you let us go. Deal. I hate this job. I just ordered him on Amazon.
Ready to go? Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? Go, 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 go. Let me grab his bag, which I need to do a what's in my diaper bag video. So y'all need to remind me. No, I'm not putting on my eyelashes yet. Look at this. I need to come and clean my room. This pacifier's right here. Let me wash it. Getting my oil change, y'all. Y'all, every single time the car stops, this kid is crazy. I'm supposed to drive in a circle, I swear, because every single time the car stops, Kyrie goes, he gets to going. Yeah, I'm getting my oil change, and then I gotta get my car cleaned.
My back.
It's not cold outside. It's 45 degrees. Oh, I need gas. My gas light just came on. But it's not cold outside, but it's not like, you know, nice. But it's actually not bad outside. But I gotta clean my car. I gotta go get these nails done at some point. I gotta go do laundry. Like, oh my gosh, y'all. I should have did everything yesterday. She's locked in. So we shopping around, y'all. She got her kid. This her kid. It's really her grandkid, but it's her kid. You being a good boy. You being a good boy. You going to being a good boy. His face has gotten so much better. So much better. I love you. You know that?
Come on. You don't need no fishing pole. We ain't going fishing.
You don't need a tackle box either. Everything Spider-Man this kid thinks he needs. Found a Spider-Man thing. Oh, Jesus, help me.
Yeah, because you gotta get it for kids.
No, I don't gotta get it for kids. These caramel frappuccinos are so good, but those are disgusting. Like, we're just gonna have to drink coffee if we get tired, because
Well, I got me Red Bull, girl. So if I get tired.
I haven't drunk Red Bull since like 2018. Not wings. She said Red Bull give you wings.
Okay, hey guys.
She's in the market, just posing.
Bye.
Oh my god.
Not the market. Oh, these are cute.
Yeah, I got one.
Yeah, those are cute for him, right?
Yeah, those are cute. Saya, they got Spider-Man now? Oh, they got the 3-pack of Spider-Man.
Oh,
You like these, Saya?
yeah, I like those ones.
To
This,
take with us on the trip?
yeah.
Okay.
I'm taking these on the trip too.
You not eating nerds in my car.
I'm not gonna eat those in the car. I'm just gonna wait till.
These, I think they're for the diffuser. These are pretty and aesthetic.
Yes, they are.
Right?
Yeah, and
This is the best.
spray.
This is the best scent.
I think that I'll
This
get-
one smells medicated.
the
This one's not the
spray.
best. This one's too sweet.
This one is lemon zest. Let's see what that is.
And then this one smells like medicine, you said. And then this one's okay. It's gonna make you hungry. He knocked out. I like cold wait. Toothpaste, really. Some Colgate with the baking soda. With the baking soda. And now this is over here, and I don't know the aisle number. This is amazing. Oh, they got toothpaste in this. Hey y'all, so we are back from Walmart. And well, we're not back from Walmart. We are not at home. We are leaving Walmart. We got some stuff for the ride. Now we about to go get something for my car and then get something to eat. Cause I'm starving. I want Zaxby's. So yeah.
He wouldn't take a tip.
Oh, he wouldn't?
He said he just put a plastic clip on there. That's all he
He's
did.
a nice man.
Really nice. Okay. Now,
All right.
we can go over and see if he back.
Hold on, y'all. 'Cause he is not having it. You're hungry now. Oh, mommy's here. Let go with the mommy's here. Let go with the mommy's here. Look how big this kid is. Just big. All right. I'm about to change him, put him down for a nap. All right, let me change him, put him down for a nap. Clean. Pack. I didn't clean my car. I'm gonna do it without him because it's just too cold for him to be out while I clean my car. So yeah, and I'm trying to decide if I should go to the nail salon there in Boston or here. I don't know, but we finna feed him, put him down for a nap, and yeah, I'll get back with you guys when he's down. I need gas. I gotta get some gas. But the baby's with my sister. We finna vacuum, y'all. Let's get the before my dirty, y'all. This is what kids will do to your car.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder.
All right, y'all. So he is sleeping, and I'm about to clean up this mess. I'm about to pack him up real quick because I gotta do his laundry, but his basket's like not filled at all, and he just has so much clothes. So it's like whatever's in there, I'm not gonna really need it. Hey guys, so I am back from the nail salon. This is what I got. Right here, these are my nails, you know. It's cute. I like them or whatever, but first of all, let me show y'all my current situation. Yeah, that's my current situation. He is not gonna sleep like that. He's probably gonna wake up in like 30 minutes. So that's why he's sleeping on his boppy right now while I eat, because I'm hungry. It's like 12 o'clock and I'm starving. On the shade room, I'm gonna post somewhere on the screen so you guys can see where they were talking about like gel nails and stuff like that. So I kind of just stopped. So not gel nails, they was talking about the light causing like cancer and stuff. So I'm just like, you know what, we're not doing that. So yeah, I just got regular nails, and my nails kept smudging, which reminded me of how much I hate regular. And I probably won't go back to that nail salon anymore because, y'all, the lady was like, she kept convincing me to get gel, and I'm like, no, I don't want gel. Like, I get it all the time. I understand the goodness of it, but I don't want gel. And she's like, so when it's smudged, she kept saying, oh yeah, because you got regular. I said, I don't care how like, girl, I started to get an attitude. I'm like, I don't care how regular it is. Get my feet done because I was just so aggravated. I might go and get my feet done in Boston. I don't know. They're not terrible, and it's the winter time, but it just feels so good to have your feet done. So I'm probably gonna get my feet done. I want to do the fish experience, but I don't know. I might have to go to like a nail salon because there's this place by my house that does it, but they don't polish your feet or anything. It's literally just the experience you're paying for. But I kind of want to do it where I want to do it like where it's like a nail salon setting. So yeah, I don't know. I want to let you guys know that I am back from the nail salon and I'm about to eat real quick. I just made me some eggs. I might make some avocado too. I actually never had avocado, but I've been wanting to try it, so I might eat some avocado with my eggs. And then I'm gonna take a shower. I am all packed up. I was gonna put the bags in the car tonight, but it's just so cold outside, child. So they're right there. And then I'm gonna pack. I was gonna show y'all. Hold on, let me turn on my light because the lighting is terrible. Hold on, y'all. Perfect. I was gonna show y'all how I packed him, but I'll show you guys when I get there because he was crying and he was just acting crazy. I'm gonna bring this chair because when I went to Florida, I didn't bring anything like for him to sit in, and I couldn't shower. Correction, y'all, because this sounds wrong. I was able to shower, but it was hard. Like he was in his car seat, or I had to find someone available to watch him. So yeah. Our clothes out for tomorrow. I'm gonna shower tonight because we're leaving like super early in the morning, and I'm gonna give him a bird bath. I wanted to give him a bath well. He has a bath, like, if not every night, he has a bath, like, every other night. I know that some people say, like, you know, you're not supposed to baby a lot and stuff like that. But he throws up a lot, and he sweats a lot, and it's just, like, I'm giving my baby a bath. You know, like, as a parent, whatever works for your child, go what works for your child. So, yeah. I'm going to give him a bird bath tomorrow morning. I'm going to just, like, wash him up and stuff. He's going to be we're gonna be traveling anyways. So yeah, I just wanted to update you guys to let you guys know what I am doing. I'm about to wash some bottles, I'm about to pump, I'm about to shower, and yeah, so I will catch you guys tomorrow or in a couple hours. I'm about to edit this so that this could be, I don't know, I might upload it or not. I need to go to bed. I can't stay up till 4 o'clock in the morning like I did for Florida because I need to I'm starting off driving tomorrow. So I want to edit this video, but I don't know if I'm going to. I really want to, but I just don't know if I can. But if I can't edit this video, I will try to find some time in Boston to edit it, or while I'm not driving, and try to get this uploaded for you guys. But thank you guys for watching my day in the life. I will see you guys in a couple of hours when we hit the road. Good morning, y'all, and we are about to head out. We are not on schedule.